Unfinished agenda of rolling out GST. blogs.economictimes.indiatimes.com. Unfinished agenda of rolling out GST. Yesterday, 11:36 p.m. A major tax reform such as the goods and services tax (GST) is bound to have teething problems. This was fully anticipated, and taxmen at the state and central levels are geared up to fix them. What was not anticipated is the introduction of new taxes and levies and new inspections that would thwart the gains of subsuming most indirect taxes other than customs duty into GST, except in the case of those goods and services that have been kept outside the ambit of the tax for the time being. This must not be allowed, and not only must Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu that have initiated new levies in the wake of GST reverse their fiscal impetuousness, but the GST Council must convene to resolve against such self-defeatist moves. The Constitution vests in state governments the authority to decide what taxes and levies local bodies such as municipalities and panchayats would levy, via Article 243H for panchayats and Article 243X for municipalities. These articles also authorize states to transfer taxes, collection and grants to local bodies. Articles 243I and 243Y ask the states to set up 5 yearly finance commissions to determine how much of their revenues would be devolved to and amongst local bodies. These provisions fix accountability on state governments to prevent tax adventurism on the part of local bodies while making sure they get adequate resources. The existing GST rates have been fixed to achieve revenue neutrality, which means that collections under GST would be at least equal to what the states used to collect pre-GST, and the center will make good any deficit. This being the case, states have no justification whatsoever in introducing new levies, such as Maharashtra's increased vehicle tax or Tamil Nadu's entertainment tax, to compensate for levies given up, such as octroi. Now that tax inspectors no longer have to stop vehicles on the road, other babus have taken it upon themselves to stop cargo vehicles on the road for random checks. Such harassment must end, to prevent a revolt against GST. The point is to make GST exhaustive and efficient, not to undermine it. Comments. Visit website. The world moves on, sans US leadership. blogs.economictimes.indiatimes.com. The world moves on, sans US leadership. Yesterday, 11:32 p.m. The G20 process was initiated with American leadership when President George Bush convened the first gathering of the world's 20 largest economies, following the outbreak of the global financial crisis of 2008. At its 12th summit in Hamburg, the grouping has effectively decided to move ahead without American leadership. The leaders pledged to work together on issues such as terrorism, displacement, poverty, hunger and health threats, job creation, climate change, energy security and inequality. German Chancellor Angela Merkel is the preeminent leader of the group now. China has thrown its hat into the ring. India, however, has the best chance to shine. The leaders' declaration notes US withdrawal from the Paris Agreement on climate change, but reaffirms commitment by the rest to implement the climate agenda. The G20 declaration recognized that while globalization and technological change have contributed to driving economic growth and raising living standards across countries, its benefits have not been widely shared. It is in this context that G20 leaders decided to address issues such as resource efficiency, digital transformation and gender equality. The forum reiterated its commitment to open markets and importance of reciprocal and mutually advantageous trade and investment, while fighting protectionism and unfair trade practices. A key achievement of the German presidency is the African Partnership. The G20 process is reflection of the dynamic that resolution of several of today's global problems call for coordinated efforts by nations in today's interdependent world. These range from terrorism, protectionism in trade, climate change and resource efficiency, and global pandemics. That process will continue, with or without the US. Comments. Visit website.